Hey, look at this. Where? Can I see? He's so cool. What are you looking at?
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
And I think
Isa-isa, atas sa'yo. Sa malimig ka. Isa-isa. Nawala na po yung lagi. Ulit sa kabit. Isa-isa. Shit!
Annabelle, do you have money? Can I borrow? But Ariana, this is my last money. Thank you, Annabelle. I promise that I will pay back to you.
Good morning, everyone. It's time for our discussion. Napaka-disrespectful, hindi kayo nakikinig. Today, we will be discussing about values. Today, we will be reading about the best thing in the world. Everybody read. Once upon a time, there were 4 brothers who lived in a faraway land. One day, he said, I will not live long now.
Okay, thank you.
Today shall be a new thing. Everybody, Fuji.
Uwi na! Go! Tara pa! Uwi na! Okay, let's go! Uwi ka na. Hi, Bri. Ano yan?
Wala.
Hindi ka ba sinasabi sa akin, Audrey?
Ha?
So, when we think about media, information, and literacy, we can think about technologies, right? In this era, our generation is very consistent with technologies. We rely on our social medias. I think halos lahat naman tayo dito gumagamit ng social media, di ba? May tao bang nakaranas ng scam or anything na that their experiences on social media platforms? How about you, Yanni?
Yes, kung magka-experience po ako. Kanina, nag-text sa akin ng kliyente na darating na daw yung order ko. Tapos naghiram po ako ng Annabelle. At ngayon, dumating yung in-order ko. Tapos yung dumating ko ay hindi po tama ang price.
Gusto na nga ngayon yung online scam. So, I can advise you na dapat you should check reviews mo. What about you, Charity? Experience ka ba when it comes to social media or technology?
Opo, ma'am, may experience po ako. Kasi pag may problema po ako, nag-post ako sa social media. Hindi ko po napipigilan yung emotions ko. Ang tingin sa akin ng mga nakapaligid sa akin ay OA. At hindi ko pa alam kung ano.
That situation, I can advise you that not everything has to be shared online. You have to self-proceed. We have to self-reflect and set our limitations. Sino pang may gustong i-share?
Ako po, ma'am. May iba dyan na gumagamit ng pictures at information hindi ko lang sa kanila.
So that's all for this afternoon. I hope you have learned something in today's lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye and thank you, Mama.